Hi there, welcome back. Episode 14 of Who the Heck is Nat? Thank you for joining. I'm going to make just a quick update today on Bankroll Flow and Elephant.Money, and tomorrow I will be making another video regarding Theta and Theta nodes, and then I'm also going to make another video on making another deposit for WBNB and BDO into the Elephant.Money site to get the 2% daily drip, right? So here we are. This is Bankroll Flow, which is a 1% daily return. Now, I did just roll this account, and I was able to roll using my frozen Tron energy. I had 3,000 Tron frozen, and I rolled $216, and that transaction was able to go through. And then let's just take a look here. So that puts my balance up here. You see the cash flow. Every time you make a transaction on Bankroll Flow, you're going to see this cash flow number get affected. And the only way you can increase this number is to make another deposit. And what this does is this really just helps, I guess, the admin, or I'm not sure what you would call it, the site itself, ensure that you're not going over that 125% total interest earned unless you make the fresh deposit. So I will continue rolling twice a week, claiming once per week. So let's take a look at Elephant.Money. So here we are. This is BNB in Elephant.Money, actually WBNB in Elephant.Money, and I did roll this account, so I now have $287 and approximately 67 cents in that account. This account and the BDO account, I started with a minimal amount. You know, I've said it before, I kind of just test the waters before I really jump in, and it's worked well for me, and it helps me have a little bit more trust. So that's big, because, you know, it's cryptos, everything is a risk, and there's nobody you can call if you make a mistake. So I like to just tread lightly. And please remember, my videos are for entertainment purposes only and are not financial advice. So with that being said, this is BDO, so let's connect to my Binance Smart Chain wallet. And I did roll this account, so this account is now at $86.78, and I will be making another deposit in this account tomorrow. So I look forward to doing that with you folks. And yeah, so I just want to say thank you so much for your support of my channel. I'm up to 196 views, 8 subscribers, and it doesn't sound like much, but it's a start. We all have to start somewhere, so it's an exciting journey that I've begun, and I want to thank you for joining me. I look forward to talking with you again, and I hope that you have a good day, a good night, good morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a good one. Talk to you soon.